Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro, and today we're going to go over how to replace your baggage doors for your RVs. For replacing your RV baggage doors, the tools that you're going to need will be an impact or screwdriver, putty knife, some silicone, non-static preferably, or some butyl tape. We will be using the same baggage doors as we're taking out. This project for a replacement should take you roughly about 15 minutes. Your time may vary depending on what size baggage door you have. Start out with removing the baggage door. You need to make sure to locate all the screws that are holding it into place. Ours are located on the inside trim. Once the screws are removed and from the inside lip, we'll have to score around our baggage door so that we can pull it loose. Once this is done about 90% of the way, you should be able to pull the baggage door out. Now we'll need to remove any excess adhesive. We're using a putty knife for this, but you can also use anything to scrape it away or just roll it off depending on what adhesive you are removing. Now that the surface is clean, go ahead and apply a liberal amount of silicone to your surface. Now that that is in place, insert your baggage door, make sure it has a good and tight fit, then secure it back into place with some screws. As you see, this was a quick and easy replacement. It should take you only about 15 minutes. If you want to know more about our baggage doors, make sure to click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.